decision making statements or control statements in Python. Python supports various conditional statements. They are if statement, that is known as a conditional statement. We say it is a simple if statement, and if else statement, known as an alternative statement, nested if statement, and the chained conditional if else if elif statement. So we are having a simple if else, nested if elif else. In this video, we are going to discuss about the simple if statement with an example. Simple if statement is used to control the flow of the execution. The statement tests the condition logically and it checks whether it is true or false. See the syntax: if statement followed by a condition and a colon, followed by a space, a tab space, and set of statement. If the condition is true, the statement under the if block will get executed. It is very essential to give the space here. If you give a space only, then only the statement will come under the scope of the simple if. A single statement or a group of statements should have a same indentation level. If condition followed by colon, and you have to give a tab space and give the statement which come under the body of the if condition. This if statement will test the condition. If the condition is true, the statement will get executed. If the condition is false, the control will transfer to the next statement after this if block. If the condition is true, the statement following the if is executed. If it is false, the statement is skipped. See the diagram, flow diagram here. The condition is tested. If the condition is true, the body of the if statement will get executed, and condition is false, the control will transfer to the next statement after the if block. Here we are going to speak about the indentation. The statements or a statement must be indented at least one space right of the if statement. If there is more than one statement after if, each statement must be indented using the same number of spaces. So here there is no curly braces, open or close curly braces here, like a C. So we have to give a indentation. We'll see an example for the same. I'm going to write a Python program to check whether a given number is a positive or not. First, I'm obtaining a number from the user, n equal to input of enter a number. The input statement always receives the value as a string. So I'm going to convert it as an integer. Now I'm writing a simple if is a statement followed by a condition. I'm checking n greater than 0. Followed by, you have to give the colon. So the positive number always greater than 0. So 0 is a neutral number and less than 0 is a negative number. Printing a number n followed by a statement is a positive number. Now we are going to run the program. Enter number, I am entering 5. 5 is a positive number. 5, my input is 5. So here it checks 5 greater than 0, condition is true. So the statement will get executed. Next, I am running the same program. I am giving the value 0. So nothing happens. So in this case, so my input value is 0. 0 greater than 0 is false. So the control is transferred to the next statement. Okay, this block will not get executed. Control will directly transfer to the next statement after the if block. That's why nothing happens. To understand much better, I'm writing a statement outside the if block. After the if block, print out of if block. Now we will run the program and check the result. Enter number. Now I'm giving 5. So 5 is a positive number. This statement is within the if block. After execution, the control will come out of the if block and print the statement out of if block. I'll run the program again. Enter number, I'm giving -1. I'm giving only one statement out of if block. What happens? So my value is -1. -1 greater than 0 is false. So control will transfer to the next statement after the if block. The condition is false. The control will not go to the body of the if block. The statement is not get executed. So the control will directly transfer to the next statement. We will see more example about simple if and other decision statement in the forthcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.